Silipin naman natin ang mga naganap sa kamakailan lamang na conference na inorganisa ng ADHD Society of the Philippines. Panoorin po natin ito.
Ang buwan ng Oktubre ay itinalaga bilang Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder o ADHD Awareness Month. At kaugnay dito ay muling isinagawa ang isang conference na inorganisa ng ADHD Society of the Philippines para magbigay kamalayan sa publiko tungkol sa ADHD.
We realized ang laki ng problema ng ADHD kasi hindi alam ng schools paano i-support yung individuals na may ADHD. Ganon din yung mga teachers. Hindi nila alam kung anong gagawin. At lalong hindi alam ng parents kung saan sila pupunta, anong gagawin. So we decided to do something about this.
For us, awareness is number one. Kasi kung hindi alam, especially with parents and teachers, kung hindi nila alam kung anong dapat gawin at saka kung ano ang pinagdadaanan ng mga bata, mahirap na to make them the best persons that they can be.
Ang nasabing conference ay ika-25th na pagtitipon na at sa paglipas ng panahon ay mas pinapaigting pa ng organisasyon ang kampanya sa kamalayan sa ADHD, lalo pat malaking factor din ang environment sa development ng ADHD ng bata.
Nung nag-umpisa kami sa ADHD Society, parang mga 20 lang kaming developmental pediatricians, but now we're 107 strong, and we're also trying to arm the pediatricians, yung mga frontliners, mga teachers, para sila rin nakakaintindi, nakakaunawa at nakakatulong sa pag-nurture ng mga children.
The society has developed programs such as yung support group meetings. Dati face-to-face lang, so very limited ang reach. Ngayon online na siya, kaya we're able to reach even all the way the whole country. We also have parenting trainings, parent seminars to help parents learn how to manage ADHD at home.
Nagpahayag naman ng suporta si DepEd Assistant Secretary for Operations, Georgina Ann Yang at Pasig Mayor Vico Soto.
We hope to be able to map out how to really make assessment more accessible and timely for our learners, especially in the provinces and rural areas where diagnosis is very difficult, as well as access to occupational therapy and other therapy services.
And beyond the facility, it's really that we want to be more inclusive. We want to empower especially our young Pasigueños. The first step is always to raise more awareness, and your organization has really been playing a big part in this.
Tinatayang aabot sa humigit kumulang 3% hanggang 4% ng populasyon ng bansa ang may ADHD. Ngunit sa kabila ng nasabing kondisyon, hindi maikakaila na sila ay may angking galing at talento at may kakayahan pa ring makatulong sa lipunan sa tulong ng mga eksperto, suporta at pang-unawa.